Class 12 Biology, Chapter 8, Cancer. Cell division and cell growth is necessary for all living organisms, but sometimes it happens that cell division become uncontrolled. The cells go on dividing, which form tumor. Such a growth is called as cancer. In other words, we can say that cancer is uncontrolled cell division, which results into the formation of tumors. Cancer can be defined as growth of undifferentiated cells. Cancer can be seen in any part of the body, including blood. And it can occur at any age of life, but it is more common at the age of 35 to 40 years. Cancer is non-contagious and non-hereditary. It is now believed that certain genes called oncogenes are responsible for the abnormal multiplication of cells. Oncogenes are present in every organism, every body, but it remains in inactive stage, but sometimes it gets activated due to any of the reasons and result into cancers. Under certain conditions, these cells are triggered to multiply rapidly and form malignant neoplasms. Genes responsible for cancer are called the oncogenes, cancer-causing genes. It is confirmed that all the cells of living beings contain some oncogenes which are stimulated by certain factors to replicate rapidly, causing malignant tumors. There are two types of tumors. First is benign tumor or non-malignant tumors. All tumors are not cancerous. They are harmless and remain confined at a place. They begin as a small swelling but may enlarge, but they do not spread to other part of body. They are not the cancerous tumors. Cancerous are malignant tumors. These tumors begin to spread to neighboring area and multiply there. It is said to be cancerous. This stage is fatal and it is called as metastasis. Symptoms of cancer: any lump or thickening in the tissue, especially in breast, tongue or lips, a wound that is not healing, any sudden change in mood or birth, persistent indigestions and difficulty in swallowing things, regular cough and hoarseness in sound, unusual weight loss, a change in bowel habits, any ulcer that does not get well, bleeding in vagina at time other than the menstruations, non-injury bleeding from the surface of skin, mouth, or any other opening of the body. These symptoms may be the symptom of cancers. The difference between benign tumor and malignant tumors. Benign tumors are harmless, non-cancerous, but malignant tumors are harmful, means cancerous. Benign tumor remain confined to the place of their origin or affected organs, but malignant tumors can spread to other part of the body. Benign tumors, the rate of growth is slow, but in malignant tumors, rate of growth is very high. Benign tumors causes limited damage to the body. Malignant tumor causes uncontrolled damage of the body, which leads to the death of organism. In benign tumor, there is no any metastasis. Metastasis is found in the malignant tumors. Types of cancers. Before reading types, we have to read the cancer causing agents or substances which may cause cancerous, like the coal tar 3,4, benzopyrene, it cause skin lung cancer, soot also cause skin lung cancers, mustard gas and cigarette smoking lung cancer, cadmium oxide, aflatoxins, a fungal metabolite for liver cancer, diethyl estebestrol, vaginal cancers, vinyl chloride, liver cancer, asbestos, cancer of pleural membrane. These are some agents which cause cancer. Cancer is not a single disease, but a complex of many diseases. Today, about 200 distinct types of cancer have been recognized. These are grouped into 4 main types. Carcinomas, sarcomas, lymphomas, and leukemia. Carcinomas, tumors which are made up of epithelial cells of ectodermal or endodermal origins are called carcinomas. For example, solid tumor in nervous tissue and in tissue of body surface or their attached glands. It includes breast cancer, skin cancer, cervical and brain carcinomas. Sarcomas, tumors which are made up of connective tissue cells of mesodermal origin are called sarcomas. For example, solid tumor growing from connective tissue, bone, cartilage and muscles. It constitutes only about 2% of human cancers. Lymphomas, cancer in which there is excessive production of lymphocyte by the lymph node and spleen are called lymphomas. For example, Hodgkin's disease, it constitutes about 5% of human cancers. Leukemia, it is cancer of blood characterized by excessive number of WBC or leukocytes in the blood. These cells then involve into bone marrow, lymph node, and the spleen. It is more frequent in the children of age group 5 to 7 years, but it can occur at any age. Echoid leukemia causes death. It has no sure remedy, constitute about 4% of human cancers, and the rest of the cancers are of carcinoma style. Causes of cancer. Cancer are caused due to many causes. Some of mutation in genes. This mutation may be by physical, chemical, or biological agents. Virus infection, which is known as oncovirus. Defective respiration and metabolic activities. Defective respiration and metabolic activities. Continuous irritation due to various substances like tobacco, pan masala, gutka, medicine like benzopyrene, arsenic, tar, etc. Hormonal imbalance also may be cause of the cancer. Smoking, it causes lung cancer. Tobacco chewing causes cancer of mouth. Chemical called benzopyrene is found in tobacco. This has proved to cause cancer. Excessive exposure to sunlight and wind can cause skin cancers due to UV rays. Radiation, excessive exposure to X-rays, cosmic rays, ultraviolet rays, etc. Biological agents, certain viruses can cause cancers. Example, retroviruses. Viruses which causes cancer are called oncovirus. These viruses contain oncogenes.